So let's go ahead and get started with the first step, and that's signing up for Hostinger. To get an additional discount on any Hostinger plan, make sure to sign up using the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link that you find down there. By using that link, you should end up on this page right here where the discount is already applied. From here, click on the purple Start Now button. And as you can see, the coupon code has already been applied. Then you'll see 3 different plan options. I recommend going with the business plan for the best possible performance. But if you're on a budget, the premium plan also works, and you can always upgrade later on if you need to. For this video, I'll be choosing the business plan. So I'll click on Choose Plan. And next, you'll choose your hosting plan period. Up here, you can choose between 48 months, 24 months, 12 months, or 1 month. I recommend going with 48 months for the best long-term savings. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you can choose one of the shorter options. At a minimum, I suggest going with the 12-month period because that will include a free domain. For this video, I'll be going with the 48 months. Then I'll go down and make sure that the 10% off coupon is applied. And then I'll scroll down and click on Continue. And on this screen here, you'll need to register for a Hostinger account. Start by entering your email address here, and then typing in a password. Once you're ready, click on Register. From here, go ahead and enter your billing address and payment information. And now that I have all of my information filled out, I'll click on Submit Payment. And there we go. Our Hostinger account is now ready to go and we can get started.